I would like to express our warmest gratitude to the many industry partners that have shown their support for the conduct of this year's PNSC. I thank you for working with TESDA to mount this skills competition. It is our commitment to prepare the next generation of Filipinos to take on the challenges and opportunities ahead. By empowering them with the right skills, we are not just preparing them for jobs, but for meaningful careers that can drive the nation's progress.
It is with great pride that we open this year's competition, a celebration of talent, hard work, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Today, we gather to honor and showcase the exceptional skills of our young Filipinos, whose dedication and passion illuminate the future of our beloved nation.
Over the next 3 days, we will witness not just the skills and excellence of the Filipino youth, but also their work values, their attitudes, their creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Thank you everyone for making this year's Philippine National Skills Competition a special event. Mabuhay ang magaling at makabagong TESDA. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas at mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipino.
After a year of preparations and a series of competitions from the provincial, regional, and up to this very day, our time to award the best of the bests has now arrived. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate and thank the National Organizing Committee and our private partners for a well-organized and successful PNSC 2024. Thank you for your commitment, dedication, and valuable support to this event.
Ultimately, the skills competition and the others that will come after shall be the standard through which we evaluate the current standing of our country's technical vocational education and training system as it compares to the rest of the world. Thus, our competitors both in local and international competitions shall act as the country's living and breathing billboards for excellent quality of our human resources and our training systems.
Over the past days, we have witnessed not only a display of technical expertise, but also the embodiment of perseverance, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Everyone here today has certainly exerted significant efforts to make it to this momentous event. Thank you and congratulations to all of you. You did your best, and because of that, you all deserve to be called winners.